Understanding the phrase, heel turn in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, heel turn. You might have heard this phrase in different contexts. And today, we're going to explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. So, stay tuned and let's dive into the world of English phrases together. The term, heel turn, originates from professional wrestling, where a heel is a character who is portrayed as the bad guy or the villain. A heel turn happens when a wrestler who was previously seen as a good guy, or a face, suddenly switches sides and adopts a villainous character. This dramatic change adds an element of surprise and excitement to the storyline, keeping the audience engaged. Now, outside of wrestling, heel turn has taken on a broader meaning. It is used to describe a situation where someone who was previously thought to be good, supportive, or friendly, suddenly reveals a darker or more treacherous side. They might betray a friend, go back on their word, or act in a way that is completely opposite to what was expected of them. Example 1. Imagine a politician who has always fought for the environment, but suddenly starts supporting policies that harm the environment. People might say that the politician has made a heel turn. Example 2. Think of a friend who has always been reliable and trustworthy, but suddenly starts spreading rumors about you. You could describe this sudden change in behavior as a heel turn. Now that we know what heel turn means, let's look at how you can use this phrase in sentences. 1. I can't believe the charity organizer was stealing money the whole time. What a heel turn. 2. The movie's main character made a heel turn towards the end, which was totally unexpected. In both of these examples, the phrase, heel turn, is used to highlight a significant and surprising change in behavior. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding the phrase, heel turn in English. Whether you're a wrestling fan or just someone interested in expanding their English vocabulary, this phrase is a great addition to your linguistic arsenal. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. If you have any questions or if there's any other phrase you'd like us to explain, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing your English. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.